Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ki kes ki bathamai ki bangiyo, menta kasni ki long South Ar. Nagini ki South Ar, Lifeway ki day hapo East Castles, Shifo, Naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Arfway, Naki Way, Ribhoy, Lai, North Garo Hills, Eway, West Janta Hills, Eway, West Garo Hills, Nreo. But Naki Nreo, Eway, Ide Napo, the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Sao Ide, Eway. Ki active case ki bangidan hadu mentasi para kelum lang kilong si hajar si spa nyopupra pada kini ki si hajar si spa nyopupra nyospa khandai penyo ki dei po East Castles na kini ki nyospa khandai penyo aspa prapusan ki dei na po Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces pat kiwei ki dei sanspa khada West Castles, South Pulai, Ribhoy, Khandai Pusau, Nagini Khandai Pusau, Ar Pusau Gidei Napo, ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Kiwei Gilong Nyupo. West Janta Hills, Lai, East Janta Hills, Katar, West Garo Hills, Shispa Khandai Punyo, but Nagini Shispa Khandai Punyo, Shispa Arfulai Gidei Niki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Nyuk Sao Gidei Niki Way. Southwest Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, Katar, but Nagini Katar Shipo Gidei Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Ar Gidei Way. East Garo Hills, Lai, North Garo Hills, Katlai. Baru kibalar kaba mentakasi kilong South Pulai. Nagini South Pulai, East Castles Lai, Ribhoy Nyo, pada nagini Nyo Sao gidi ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Lai gidi giwe. West Garo Hills, Laifu Ar, pada nagini ki Laifu Ar, Arfusan gidi ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, pada Nyo gidi na giwe. Southwest Castles, Eway. Baru kiba lari kaba hadu mentakasi kelum lang barokat kilong Praspa Laifu Ar. Bat kiba khlad no kilong Pras. Ki sampel kiba ngipa tes hadu ar baje menemenski kilong Nyau Nreo Hajar, Nyau Spa Nreo Fuar. But ki test negative kilong Nyau Fusau Hajar, Aspa Khandai Pulai. Ki test report ki bangidang at kilong Kumba South Spa San Fuway. But ki beriu ki berung hapo kejela kejengi hadu menemenski arbaje kilong Laifu Hajar Nyospa Sanpusan ki kes ki bathamai ki belong hadu Saufu Ar kilong ke break up kilong kumne East Castles Lifeway Shipo gidei napo ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces Khandreo gidei high risk contacts Iway idei ILI case, kemudian influenza like illness case, Lai kini random sampling, Iway na po Woodland, but R kini po Negrams Hospital. Iway idei return. Ribhoy Lai, Iway idei return. Iway idei ILI case, Iway berdai batas, bawang test namanta kam ki bay day bat ka immigration. North Garo Hills Iway, but itai di high risk contact. West Janta Hills Iway, idai health worker po juai. West Garo Hills Nrio, Iway idai na po armed forces, paramilitary forces. Lai idai asaw idai ki high risk contact, but Iway idai returning. Ki high risk contact. Takanang ifi way day nak Kamakya na Anjali mo way di na Punjabi lane way na Goenka Kamakya mo Lumparing Sao Mulai Mjayur Iway Mulai Martawar Barapathar Dhahan Kiti Batray po LIC Arngot Kamot Kini Batray LIC Rilbong Idai Bawan na po Bihar Langkerding Iway Nongse Bishnapur Barapani